Hey guys, it's kind of a 5 here. I've been wondering something about my blue Galaxy 12-inch desk fan. My blue Lasko 12-inch desk fan. Sorry. It's starting to make a weird knocking noise. On all speeds, even on oscillating. I tried taking it apart and oiling it, and it's not stopping that noise. So here, I'll show you what it sounds like. Here's low. Hear it? I'll let you know how I can fix it. Any questions, please leave in the comments. Here's medium. And high. Anyone can help me fix that knocking noise, please leave in the comments. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.